Today we're starting a brand new project in the heart of Woodbridge. It's a 3-story gut, doing 4 bathrooms, kitchen, everything. It works.
This is my dream wedding cake. That's Luana. Say Luana.
Today we're doing some framing changes. This wall behind us is gonna go One week and 120 cubic yards of garbage later, we're finally done smashing this house. Up next, we have all our rough-ins from structural and mechanical. So we're gonna frame, do plumbing, electrical, HVAC, low voltage, all that fun stuff. This was a massive project, about 4,000 square feet overall from the top floor right down to the basement. It took about 8 to 10 weeks to do. My favorite part about this project was the clients were taking a lot of our direction in terms of design and letting us take the lead on a lot of things, which is fun for us because it gives us the opportunity to be creative in terms of the kitchen, the feature walls, the paint colors, and it all kind of reflects a little more about what Heavy Duty Homes is about. My favorite feature about this project was the kitchen. The kitchen is a place where everybody congregates nowadays, especially around the island. So you want a massive kitchen, you want to pack it with as much punch as possible. The colors are important, the features, the countertops, the appliances, the ability to entertain. The master bathroom was stunning. Bench in the shower, custom niches, in-floor heating, and a steam shower. Clients picked all the finishes. It was 100% to their taste. Right when you walk into the house, we pulled out the old tile that was there and we featured 3 3-foot by 6-foot tiles. And it ties in with some hardwood throughout the whole main floor, tying up to our feature walls, tying into our large tiles, into the foyer and laundry room. The clients gave us the ability to put together a custom home theater for them in the basement, which was pretty cool. Fireplace wall featuring a gas heat and glow. We had a lot of trades, a lot of our heavy duty certified professionals on this house. Everybody did such a great job. Big thank you from us and the clients.